Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Knowledge Mastermind. Vasant Panchami is a festival of knowledge and spring. Today we have a fun quiz for you. But remember, there is one very special question in this quiz. Only smart learners will find it. Watch carefully till the end and tell me in comments which question it was. Let's begin. Question number 1 is Vasant Panchami is also known as which festival? The options are A. Kite Festival, B. Saraswati Puja, C. Harvest Festival, D. Flower Festival. The correct answer is B. Saraswati Puja. Vasant Panchami is celebrated as Saraswati Puja in many parts of India. Question number 2 is which goddess is worshipped on Vasant Panchami? The options are A. Lakshmi, B. Durga, C. Saraswati, D. Parvati. The correct answer is C. Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge, wisdom and learning. Question number 3 is which season begins with Vasant Panchami? The options are A. Summer, B. Rainy, C. Spring, D. Winter. The correct answer is C. Spring. Vasant Panchami marks the beginning of beautiful spring season. Question number 4 is which color is most important on Vasant Panchami? The options are A. Red, B. Green, C. Yellow, D. Blue. The correct answer is C. Yellow. Yellow represents happiness, knowledge and blooming mustard flowers. Question number 5 is which month does Vasant Panchami usually fall in? The options are A. January, B. February, C. March, D. April. The correct answer is B. February. Vasant Panchami is usually celebrated in late January or February. Question number 6 is what do students keep near goddess Saraswati for blessings? The options are A. Toys, B. Books, C. Shoes, D. Food. The correct answer is B. Books. Students keep books near Goddess Saraswati to seek blessings for good learning and knowledge. Question number 7 is which flower is commonly seen during Vasant Panchami? The options are A. Rose, B. Lotus, C. Mustard, D. Sunflower. The correct answer is C. Mustard. Yellow mustard flowers bloom during spring, making field look bright. Kids, yellow color looks bright and happy, just like spring season. Question number 8 is what do people wear on Vasant Panchami? The options are A. White clothes, B. Yellow clothes, C. Black clothes, D. Pink clothes. The correct answer is B. Yellow clothes. People wear yellow clothes to celebrate spring and happiness. Question number 9 is Vasant Panchami is celebrated mostly in which country? The options are A. Nepal, B. India, C. Sri Lanka, D. Thailand. The correct answer is B. India. Vasant Panchami is a traditional Indian festival. Question number 10 is, which musical instrument is associated with goddess Saraswati? The options are A. Tabla, B. Drum, C. Veena, D. Flute. The correct answer is C. Veena. Goddess Saraswati is shown playing the veena, a musical instrument. Question number 11 is, what do children pray for on Vasant Panchami? The options are A. Toys, B. Good marks and learning, C. Money, D. Gains. The correct answer is B. Good marks and learning. Children pray for wisdom, learning power, and success in studies. What you should say after this question? Did you find the special question? Comments yes if you did and tell me why this question is special. Question number 12 is, which bird is sometimes linked with goddess Saraswati? The options are A. Peacock, B. Parrot, C. Swan, D. Crow. The correct answer is C. Swan. The swan represents wisdom and purity and is linked with Saraswati. Question number 13 is, what type of festival is Vasant Panchami? The options are A. Night Festival, B. Knowledge Festival, C. Water Festival, D. Fire Festival. The correct answer is B. Knowledge Festival. Vasant Panchami celebrates learning, wisdom and education. Question number 14 is, what do schools often do on Vasant Panchami? The options are A. Sports Day, B. Exams, C. Saraswati Puja, D. Picnic. The correct answer is C. Saraswati Puja. Schools perform Saraswati Puja to encourage learning among students. Question number 15 is, which of these is a spring season sign? The options are A. Snowfall, B. Heavy rain, C. Blooming flowers, D. Fog. The correct answer is C. Blooming flowers. Flowers bloom during spring, making nature colorful and fresh. Question number 16 is, what do people offer to goddess Saraswati? The options are A. Fruits, B. Yellow sweets, C. Toys, D. Milk. The correct answer is B. Yellow sweets. Yellow sweets like Kesri Halwa are offered during Vasant Panchami. Question number 17 is, Vasant Panchami comes before which major exam season? The options are A. Summer holidays, B. Board exams, C. Festivals, D. Monsoon. The correct answer is B. Board exams. Students seek blessings before board exams for better performance. Question number 18 is, which activity is encouraged on Vasant Panchami? The options are A. Fighting, B. Studying, C. Sleeping, D. Shouting. The correct answer is B. Studying. The festival motivates students to study and gain knowledge. Question number 19 is, which sense is related to learning? The options are A. Taste, B. Smell, C. Sight, D. Mind. The correct answer is D. Mind. Learning happens through the mind by thinking and understanding. Question number 20 is, what message does Vasant Panchami teach us? The options are A. Play more, B. Eat more, C. Respect knowledge, D. Sleep more. The correct answer is C. Respect knowledge. The festival teaches us to value education and wisdom. Great job, kids! How many answers did you get right? Did you find the special question? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Mastermind. Happy Vasant Panchami to everyone.